Okay.
What if I body slam you? Can I body slam? Body slam! What's up? No one's watching. Dina, and Faith, come here. Dina, you need to put your game away.
I'm still flashing till like 8:30, I think. They have the shuls in Great Neck. They have Abu Subanim, like it's the book.
I always do this.
I don't know if somebody wants to be mighty with Havdalah. Anybody ready for Havdalah?
Yeah.
Barna Shalom. Got von Avram von Yitzchak and Yaakov Hitam before Israel. Von alle Weisen an Elohim. Liebe Shabbos Kodesh geht weg. Wir machen die Kodesh hier so unsere Kinder zumindest schlimm. Uns Chachom und Sabbat mit dem Bekam Payment. Weg ist morgen zurück Schmai. Am ist am Schleicher ist der Kind Khab und Payment mit hin ist ist bis mich bin. Liebe Sachen ist nicht gleich geht dann muss ich noch gleich sind in gleich. Jetzt zu leben dit zu dienen können wir weiter nicht eine Woche Kodesh hier so unsere Kinder. Zum Schleim zu uns Chachom und Sabbat mit dem Bekam Payment weg ist morgen Schmai. Mom, and some shloisha say come shal chab begul koyim here with khis and some new some new some When is shloim di bestach nice and koyach. Ja, the smile from the moment. When is shloim dat van Avram van Yitzchak en Jacob hielden op de focus zo van alle wijzen aan de leibes liebe Shabbos Kodesh geht weg. Ze wachen de Kodesh hier zo onze kinderen zijn schlimmen zijn Chachomim. Ze hebben ze met de gebem geven. Ze weken ze morgen gewoon schmai. Mama sam shleisha se kom shalcha. Go kreven met her met het gisse mensen. En wie is mijn shabben alle shalom bij de shalom. Wie bestach en eens life kayach. Geef dan moeten we irische kinderen geeft. Ze zijn ten kayach dit te leven. De dit te dienen kunnen gaan we weiter niet. In de wachten de Kodesh van Jezus onze kinderen. Ze gezin ze mazel en ze brochen wat zeggen. Ze oisje begonnen. Ze chive games meneer. Ga je wiegen. We zijn wiegen. We zaten de schmaaien. We gaan gewoon Israël nemen maar mee. Bueno Shalom gaat van Avram van Yitzchak en van Yaakov. We hieten op de volk Israël. Van alle wijzen aan de leib. Dus lieve Shabbos Kodesh geht weg. Ze wachten de Kodesh in Jezus onze kinderen. Ze zijn schlimmen. Ze zijn Chachomim. Ze hebben ze bij de gebem tegen. Ze weken ze worden van de schlim. Am zijn schleisje. Ze komen shalcha. De gule. Hier is geest en meester. Bueno Shalom. Die bestag en meester leef krijg. Geef dan op de kinderen geest. We zijn in krijg deze leiden. Die ze doen. Kanaal geloof weiter nicht. Wachen the Kodesh in Jerusalem to come to send some marshals to work on the social
That's how you get demonetized.
Wie kunnen we zeggen, de smile on the swollen my mind. Doesn't feel van heilige beleid iets van de social with the bishop's Christi gelang tot zo mijn.
Rabbi! Okay, so go. Mrs. Deborah decree.
Hine al yeshusi yaftach v'lo yafchad ki al ze b'simas yuadinoi. By Hillel Shishaf the Moses and Manuel Adon Shulam Khavich Sechaselo. Adonai Tzvoisi Moni Miskavlin Kavselo, Adonai Tzvoisi Moni Miskavlin Elohei Kavselo, Adonai Tzvoisi Moni Miskavlin Kavselo, Adonai Tzvois Asher Dem Betechbach, Adonai Tzvois Asher Dem Betechbach, Adonai Tzvois Asher Dem Betechbach, Adonai Hoshia, Hamelachim Kenya, Adonai Hoshia, Hamelachim Kenya, Adonai Hoshia, Hamelachia Naini, and for any lie, Hidim High Service and because kind, Hiluni, because it's you, so I'm ashamed of another person morning. Burachat Wadino, Elohim Melech Olam, Boirai Priya Gofen.
Amen.
Burachat Wadino, Elohim Melech Olam, Boirai Menei V'Samim.
Amen.
Bruchat Vadinoi Eloheinu Melech Haolam B'rei Marei Hawaiish.
Amen.
Bruchat Vadinoi Eloheinu Melech Haolam Hamavdil Ben Kodesh L'Choil Ben Or L'Choshech Ben Yisrael L'Amim Ben Yom HaShvi'i L'Shoshes Yemei HaMaaseh Bruchat Vadinoi Hamavdil Ben Kodesh L'Choil.
Okay, everybody get together your Bravo pizza order.
I'm still flashing till like 8:30.
I have kids I have to feed. And the limited food.
Shlomi, can you do something with that bat? I want to make, because I'm doing the double bat for my next episode. I'm all American.
Stop breaking my Lego. Stop breaking my legs.
No, I am not Israeli. I'm all American. Hamavdil ben kodesh l'chol. I'm what, like 5th generation American.
What should I do?
I guess we could get pizza. I don't know. By the time we get it. Hamavdil ben kodesh l'chol. Chataysayni im chol zarayni v'chasbayni yar b'kachol v'kakay chovim b'halayla yoim pona kitzel toimer ekrol ovel alahi gohimer amar shomer rasa v'ker v'gam layla sidkas chaka ortavor kahartar. How do I work? Let me go get my bench. You go on Amazon, you can get the Koblentzer bencher. Alright, where's Hamavdil? I said it already, but... usually... Tikoscho kahar tabor, al chadwai abor tabor. Yoim es monkey abor vashmarav alayla chol voy nas michasim yitem michasim ada ban chasi as chabel chalayla hoyli bal yom tov sach li sharham nu tov shiroi shinim tov kutzisi seisi layla hayasu naravaya ashavayat nafud v'nashav v'rivyoim v'yishem lada sichayoy shiyani orachayim tadiyani Dallas to Vadse, New York, Vad Lila. Tied to the one side, and give me back the side, and all I saw you listen to Get wach, a mazel tov. Get wach, a mazel tov, oya get wach, a gesinte wach, a freiliche wach, a serious voice, a missy eyes, met the sack, go in and randwach. I forgot to put Alamichia. Hi, how are you? Oh, hi Dennis. Good to see you. So I forgot to put Alamichia. This Shir Yichud, which I recently published with English, also has Alamichia in the back. Guide zogen Alamichia alle gefen noch Havdalah. Bruchat Vadinoi Eloheinu Melech Haolam alle gefen Alamichia gefen. Halt nimm es so was kann der Teufel haben schon sie sind halt love seine Lachen und hören was bei mit über Rachaim Vadin Eloheinu Yisrael ma Chol Islam und Chol Sim nicht können wir mal mit Chol Chol. Und Islam ist mir hören wollen wir sicher. So können wir kommen für uns Islam zu den Christen. Get one like to the core in the first. Priya Guffen, Bruchat Vadinoi is full Priya Guffen. All right. saw someone else wrote something that disappeared. I don't know. How you doing, Dennis? Been a while. How are things in California? Good to see you. All right. It's kind of noisy here. Good to see everybody. Good to walk. Get your. Gotta fold up my talus. This is School for Shalom Bayis, which probably live streaming is probably not a School for Shalom Bayis. But Richmond is fine. You're in Richmond? Are you in Richmond, California? Or Richmond, Virginia? Although you need to put a shirt on. You've got a diaper at least. Hi, Ludwin. Hello. You're in Virginia? I thought you were in California. Oh, I'm thinking of someone else maybe. Oh, so you're in Richmond? Wow. It's been a while since I've been there. I thought you moved to California. Maybe I'm thinking of someone else then. How are things there? I remember, it's been a long time since we moved away from there, 15 years since I've been there. It's probably time for me to visit sometime. I know one of the Levin boys wanted me to be the Sarah Kedushin, but then I think he broke off the shidduch, so. I told a funny story today by Shalashudis that I heard. I know, I remember. I thought you were married in California, unless I'm thinking of someone else. Again, maybe I'm confusing the whole story. All right. Well, the story that I told over by Shalashudis tonight. I heard this from Mark. Mark Herman told me this story. You know Mark? So I'm in touch with him a lot. I actually talk a lot. So Mark Herman told me Maisa was a Gevein story that took place in Richmond. So apparently the people who owned Padow hams were Jewish. The original Padow family, I think it was like Padovitz or something, Padowaski. So, someone, he called Mrs. Padow, could you bring me home some, deli meat, something? Okay, sure. So then she went out to the car. So then I said, why don't you have in the house? She said, I don't bring that tray in my house. That's the story I heard. I remember, I don't know why I told it over by Shalashudis today, but so everybody could check out our. It's good to hear from you, Dennis. Hasidic Rabbi, God bless you and your family and everyone. Now I remember you. Okay, you came to see Koblentzer Rebbe. I remember. And again, I was thinking of someone else. It's a very similar story, right? Shalom. Hi, Joseph Scott Costanzo. Very nice. Yeah. All right. I mean, it's not that I forgot you, Dennis. It's just that there was someone a very similar story I was confusing with. So, all right. Well, it's good to see everybody. A good tevach, a good blessed week. Everyone should be blessed. Everyone should be happy and well, and safe and healthy. And we should all be blessed with a very prosperous week with all kinds of good things. God bless you all. It's good to see you. All right. You could check out our channel. We have a lot of other things. We have a Thanksgiving special that we just released on Thursday. It's a lot of fun. So maybe you could check it out on the channel. And we have over 5,000 videos if you're new to the channel. So God bless. Be well.